There are billions of people underserved by traditional financial institutions and struggling to access basic financial services caused by paperwork, collateral, high fees and interest rates, and most importantly, bad experiences. After seeing these struggles firsthand in Mongolia, against the backdrop of tough banking and government wrangles, we launched our AI-powered credit assessment and lending solution, Lendamen. Provides microloans in less than 5 minutes, anytime, anywhere, to anyone. Within a year, Lendamen issued 21 million in 315,000 microloans with a 40% monthly customer growth and a 98% repayment rate. So far, On Global has raised a total of 11 million and has been chosen in the top 16 global startups by this company. To achieve our grand mission of solving the same problems for millions in the Philippines, Indonesia, and other countries, we've gathered a diverse and driven team of 95 tech and finance gurus. We have low operational costs, speed, and the ability to navigate in the toughest of environments. On Global, a true fintech company.